this better? Yes, I think so. How cute. Thank you for helping. No. Agree? Anything wrong with the pillow? Which pillow? The heart-shaped one? This one? Okay, let me fix the pillows for you. This one. No? Oh, the table one. Ah, sorry. Gotcha. This one. Is it good? Fix the pillow, the bed, this one. Gotcha. Okay. Finish. Yes. Oh, my friend, if you're interested about this, you can go see my comments. It's called Cozy Room. This way. Hope you can enjoy. Thank you for that me. Arigatou gozaimasu. Come back. Okay. Is it good? Thank you, Renee. A bit upward. have a chair. Oh my friend, should I move the chair here instead of the books? Like this? I'll just put the chair in front of the mirror. Okay, get back. You want me to put the store here or books here? Hello, my friend. Books. Right? Okay. In front of the mirror. Okay. Gotcha. I love that. This bag, maybe here, this way. Thank you for the half puff, darling. Is it good? Yeah. I mean this one on the bed, right? I mean exchange. Is it good? Oh. Hello my friend, let me show you the details. Here is our sofa. Anything wrong, just please let me know. No, don't put it on the bed. Should I fix? Right? There's so many friends I know. How about this way? Yes and no? Yes. Now it's better. Thank you for the suggest. Okay. Now you can enjoy. This is our good desk. How to say? Good desk. You can start it here or reading some book. And this is our bedroom. Bed here. I like the sitting area. So cozy. And you can do makeup. See your OOTD. Let me see. And yes, we just finished the bedroom. Do you like? Yes. And next one. Do you want to see the everybody cafe or supermarkets? Could you know? Supermarkets. Is this okay? Near the envelope. Envelope? I mean this way? Okay. Okay, fix. Thank you, darling.